So this video is a quick response to some of the initial comments I got on the conversion of the Shure headset microphone to the RØDE wireless system. The Shure headset mic is plugged directly into my RØDE Filmmaker, and the RØDE Filmmaker is plugged directly into my iPhone, which is filming this. Now, some of the distortion you heard on that original video is actually from the compression algorithm I had turned on in OBS Studio, not from the microphone or RØDE Filmmaker. This is actually very clean. I'm also going to compare this to the RØDE Lavalier mic on the headset, which I'm wearing on the other side. So first, let's do a quick test with this one. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Now let's go to the RØDE. Okay, now we're on this RØDE microphone. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. So let's go back to the Shure microphone. So now we're back on the Shure microphone. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up down there. And if you haven't subscribed to me yet, please click on subscribe. Thank you very much.